Wait, I don't get it. Why is the chicken on the road?
Oh no, Emily, that's the first joke and you just missed it.
I feel so lost. Everyone is laughing and I don't understand.
Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll confidently understand and even tell these jokes yourself.
English jokes are tricky, but they teach you real, everyday phrases.
Exactly. Today, we will learn 5 funny English jokes. You'll also learn small expressions that native speakers use.
Remember, if you like videos that help you speak English, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us.
And don't worry, you don't need to be perfect. Just have fun.
Okay, joke 1. Why did the chicken cross the road?
To go the other road?
Almost. We say to get to the other side. Pause and say it with me. To get to the other side.
To get to the other side.
Exactly. Nice. This joke uses simple words, but native speakers often use it to teach humor and timing.
Ah, so it's not really about a chicken.
Right. It's about understanding the phrase and rhythm.
Joke 2. What do you call a bear with no teeth?
A soft bear?
Almost. The answer is a gummy bear. Pause, repeat with me. A gummy bear.
A gummy bear.
Exactly. Fun tip, gummy rhymes with yummy. Stress on the first word. Gummy bear.
Oh, that's funny because I love gummy candies.
Yes, linking new words to real things helps you remember.
I'm ready for joke 3.
Okay. Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
Because he is scary?
Not exactly. The answer is because he was outstanding in his field. Repeat after me. Outstanding in his field.
Outstanding in his field.
Perfect. Now notice the stress. Outstanding in his field. Stress makes English sound natural.
I get it. He is standing out, literally in a field.
Exactly. That's the fun of English jokes. They mix words and real meaning. Joke 4. What do you call fake spaghetti?
Fake pasta?
Very close. The answer is an impasta. Pause and say it with me. An impasta.
An impasta?
Yes, listen carefully. The first syllable is stressed. Impasta. Also, it sounds like imposter.
Oh, so it's a wordplay.
Exactly. Wordplay is very common in English jokes. Native speakers love it.
Okay, last joke. I hope I get this one.
Why don't scientists trust atoms?
Because atoms are tiny?
Almost. The punchline is because they make up everything. Pause and repeat. They make up everything.
They make up everything.
Perfect. Listen, make up means both create and lie in English. Understanding these little phrases helps your English sound natural.
Wow, I never knew small words like make up could be tricky.
Exactly. That's why jokes are great for learning real English.
Let's quickly repeat all 5 punchlines. I say first, you repeat after me. To get to the other side.
To get to the other side.
A gummy bear.
A gummy bear.
Outstanding in his field.
Outstanding in his field.
An impasta.
An impasta.
They make up everything.
They make up everything. I can say them. It's easier now that I know the story.
Exactly. Repetition in context helps your memory. You can even tell these jokes to friends.
Paul, I just realized understanding these jokes is like understanding real English conversations.
Yes, each joke teaches a small phrase, rhythm, and stress. By the end, learners can speak confidently. Quick tip, when you tell a joke, pause before the punchline. It makes it funny and natural.
Like this? Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Exactly, perfect timing. Nice. So today we learned 5 jokes and small English phrases.
Now, when you hear these jokes, viewers, you'll understand and even repeat them confidently.
Remember, learning English through stories and jokes is fun and helps your speaking confidence.
Practice these phrases at home, with friends, or even alone.
Comment below with your favorite joke or try telling one of these 5.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're now one step closer to fluent English.
See you next time, and remember, English can be fun if you laugh while learning.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.